Good morning. I am starting the day off with a workout. I'm going to warm up on the treadmill, just walk a little bit, and then I'm going to do the sweat app, and I'm going to do a high intensity workout for 30 minutes in the legs today. And I just thought I should bring you along with my morning, even though it's 10 a.m. already. I woke up a little late. That's okay now. And yeah, let me get the workout started now. Have been working. I showered after I worked out, but I just filled up Stella's little pool for her because it's super hot out and she enjoys it. So I put ice cubes in. She loves to bobble for ice cubes. So much fun. Did you take some out? And she just has her frisbees in here. And she splashes around trying to get them. Oh, she's trying to eat the ice cubes right now. She's having a good time. Yummy. James made us this Trader Joe's rice and veggie mix for lunch. Yummy. It's just prepackaged. Super easy and healthy to make. Hello, so it's a bit later and I showered and got ready for the day after lunch, and I wanted to show you guys my Skims haul that I did when they had their sale over Memorial Day weekend. I bought a few things, so I thought I would share what I got because very exciting. So came in this package, and I got this pouch, came for free with my stuff. And then first thing is this is a bigger pouch, but I'm struggling today. Anyways, I got the high-waisted bondage short, and it looks like this, and it has like open butt, well, not open, but it's like thinner here, and then it's thicker on the sides, and then it has this rubber lining on the top, so it really sucks you in. Yeah, and I got a size large. This is it with the black, and very nice. Also hugging the snow top piece. Yeah, very thick and bulgy in on the sides. I got this, I think it's a cotton bra, just like this, and I tried it on and it holds in the girls very nicely, and I have a problem where my, like, because I have bigger boobs, they kind of pop out of triangle tops, and this one held them in nicely. So, and I got a size large in this, in case you're wondering. Super comfortable and soft. I really like it. This is the nude bralette. Super cute, super soft, very comfortable. Yeah, really like it. Great for every day. Holds everything in very nicely. Next item, I got this mesh bra, and I like the color. It's like a chocolate, I think chocolate brown color, Jasper, and I got 34 double D, and it has mesh feel to it, and yeah, I like this one. So cute. Oh. Next item that I got is a bodysuit, and it's the cotton bodysuit, I believe, and I got a size medium in the color garnet, and I thought this was such a cute color. I love this color, and it's really nice, soft, good material. Okay. This is the bodysuit that I got. It's the cotton bodysuit, and I got this pretty chocolate brown color. Super flattering, nice and soft. I pick it up in more colors as well. I got face masks. I know that we're not wearing them too much anymore, but in case we do need them, these are really cute. Stretchy. I'm not gonna put it on because I have makeup on, but yeah, just got a pack of those because they're on sale and cute. Next item, thong, and it's this blue color. I got a size medium, and the color is Pacific. It's a really pretty color. I have this in black already, and I really like it. Super comfortable and soft. Just a very basic thong. I like the thicker band. It's nice. Last item that I got is this white cotton t-shirt. It's a little bit see-through, but I kind of like the look of like the bra showing through it, like a nude bra. It's cute. Super soft material. I like how it's fitted. Also a medium. So I'll show you guys what that looks like. This is the t-shirt, or the cotton t-shirt that I got. It's not a bodysuit, but it's just, you can tuck it in. And I just have it rolled up right now, but super cute. As you can tell, it's a little see-through, so I just put the bra under it, which I kind of like the look of, so it doesn't really matter. Yeah, super soft, comfy, stretchy. I'd probably pick up in a couple different colors. I actually have one more thing. Another shapewear piece that I got is the, it's a full piece body shapewear, and it has the bra built in, and similar to the other one, doesn't have the siding, but this size I got a small/medium, which I probably could have done a large, but it does work. So this is the after. Really sucks you in here. Yeah, super nice and pulls you in, and all smoothed out. Very nice. So that's it for my Skims haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I was very excited when I saw there's a sale going on. Very fun. Just up my alley. Probably gonna buy more stuff from Skims in the future because they have great quality items and really sucks you in. I wanted to show you guys, or update you guys on my projects that I'm doing. So I have a couple renovation projects that I'm doing, and one is my parents' living room at my house in upstate New York. And I'm planning on going to IKEA this week with my dad to look at some pieces that I think we're gonna get to put in the living room. There's currently a bookshelf, but it's kind of old, so I want to replace it with something else. And so I've been creating some design plans, and I'll post pictures of what I've done on my iPad so far. I've come up with a visual representation of the room on my iPad. I have a design app that I have and do the designs on there. So I'm painting the brick a navy color, and then wallpapering the fireplace wall. And then on the other walls, we're painting it white, but before we paint it, we have to do lining paper. Because the house is so old, the walls are uneven and have lots of marks on them, so this is kind of like covering those almost. Just instead of doing drywall, we're just gonna do the lining paper, which I heard can help with texture and just like uneven walls type thing. I think it's similar to a wallpaper, like how you apply it, and then I'll paint over it, and it'll probably be like a white cream colored. And then we have to get a new rug, and so I've been looking at rugs, and I definitely want to do like a light blue vintage looking rug, very subtle, not too much going on. And then for the sofas, I want to do a navy color as well, and I think I want to do a sectional. I'm gonna go to IKEA and look at their sofas to see how comfortable they are, just kind of plan out what stuff we like from there, and probably maybe purchase some things. I'll take you guys on a vlog when I go. We have to get a new TV in that room, and we'll probably do a frame TV from Samsung. And yeah, so that's that room. And then I'm also doing a basement design for one of our family friends slash neighbors of my parents, and they haven't updated their basement in quite a while, so I'm going to be doing a design for them, and I've come up with a couple. I have to help them pick out flooring, couches, furniture, all that stuff, and layout wise. So that has been fun to do, and they're going to do a luxury vinyl, so I need to go look at samples for that. While I'm on my IKEA trip, I'll probably be looking at furniture for that project as well, just to see the different items they offer. So yeah, so that's kind of what I've been doing work-wise. I'm gonna be going up in a couple weeks and finishing that project. Well, yeah, finishing that project, and I'll show you guys the process of me going and doing that. So it's exciting. My mom finished the wallpaper, so bless her heart. We're moving it. Thanks, Mom. And yeah, that was a pain in the butt. 3 layers of wallpaper. As you know, I got an iPad, and I wanted to show some apps that I've been using that are helpful. I downloaded this planner app, and it's called Zinnia, Zinnia, and it's pretty much a journal app, and you can do different things. I bought a subscription, which I believe was $40 for a year, and I think it's a great deal because planners can be quite expensive, and this allows you to create your own. You can do a journal that is already made, basically. So this is Essential Planner, and it will show you different, and it has times, to do, schedule, all that stuff. That's one. And another option that is good. There's just a ton of different options of journals that you can choose from, but you can also create your own, which is really cool. So you can do different grids and lines and papers and choose the color you want, and then you can add pages, and it's super nice. And you can pick templates. Let's say you want to have a daily plan, and some people I know like to have specific times, so this one for example. And then I have the Apple Pencil too, which I think is great, and so you can just kind of block out your day doing this. I need to work on my handwriting clearly, but you can customize it how you want, and you can add stickers and just really fun stuff. And there's a bunch of different types of things you can do. So there's trackers, so you can do chores, there's student education, like for teachers or students, event planning, habits, health and fitness, all that stuff. So I love this, and it's super fun to play around with. So I recommend doing that if you have an iPad. You probably can do it on your phone too, but I like to write it using my Apple Pencil, so that's been a great app to use. And another one that I've been using is the Live Home 3D, and I did purchase the lifetime package, I believe. That's because I'm going to use it for work, but there's plenty of great options that are for free in this, and you can see your room virtually and create different rooms, just different furniture pieces. You can use AI to scan the room to put it on to plan for you. Fun to do if you're looking to do renovations or anything like that. So I just wanted to talk about those apps that I've been using slash found. I think that's all for today. That's all I've been working on. That's my haul also. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. It's a short one, but covered a lot of stuff that's been going on and what I've been doing. So yeah, stick around for more fun vlogs, and I'm probably gonna film a wedding guest makeup routine this week and post it to YouTube / TikTok and Reels. Yeah, so go follow me on there and subscribe down below. It would mean so much. Thanks for watching, and bye. Have a good week.